vlog. Now before I show you my sewing box, I was not going to talk about the coronavirus because everybody's doing it. There's enough information out there. On Facebook, that's all that's happening, and I think enough people know what's going on without everybody's talking about it. But it's affected me in a way I never expected. I booked a day off this afternoon. It's only 2 hours 15 minutes. I'm a cleaner working for a company, I can't name them at the moment, that and to have my car MOT because it's 16 years of age, so it's old. I'm not a mechanic, I don't know what's wrong with it, if there is anything wrong with it. So I booked this afternoon off, but I've had a lot of hassle with my manager. I understand that things are tight at work, with people being furloughed and all this, that and the other. But I carried on working. I'm a worker, so you would have thought the company would have said, okay, 2 hours 15 minutes, it's better than giving up a job or we're sacking them and having all the work for 2 places to do. So I've had a lot of hassle with just by text between us, and I took my car this morning at 8:30, and I knew that sometimes it does take a long time, and it's now 2:20 in the afternoon and I still haven't heard, and I phoned once and there's no reply. Now her argument was that the government has given us an extra 6 months to get our vehicles MOT, and as I replied to her, I actually said yes, but the other piece of information from our Prime Minister was that as long as it's roadworthy. Now I don't know about MOTs or mechanics or cars. I just go in and drive them, and I've got 4 wheels and an engine that works. I'm happy. As I said, it's an old car, I don't want to miss it. So I got it in this afternoon. So I still don't know whether it's passed or failed, whether it needs any work, etc, etc. Now I should be at work at 4 o'clock this afternoon. As I say, at 2:20. I've heard nothing from the garage, I haven't got my car. So watch this space, because if I lose my job because of this, then we will have an ongoing situation when everyone does go back to work eventually, that I should take this case forward. Now she might have decided it's not worth it, we'll see, I will let you know, but I'm not very happy with the way she's treated me. So I don't know if anybody else has had this problem. If you have, perhaps you could let me know. On to a lighter note now, is why I'm doing this video, is I did cancel this. It's from my sewing box last time, but they didn't cancel it. Now because I've got my car in for MOT, because that's the reason I gave them, I said I can't afford it, because I don't know what's wrong with my car, if anything. So they did a very nice thing, which really was a lovely surprise, and it did actually cheer me up today when it arrived, because of what's been happening at work. They gave it me free, reinstated, because it's their mistake. So thank you very much, my sewing box. I really appreciate at this time and what I've gone through this week with my boss, even though I'm going to work and some people aren't, and they're all off on furlough for 12 weeks solid with 80% wages. I'm not, and I'm 62. So watch this space. Let's open it now and stop going on. I'm not going to keep going on about coronavirus or anything like that unless it's necessary to continue this story. So let's open it, let's have a look. Oh, I can't believe it, it's yellow, and that's the colour I was hoping it was going to be. For the simple fact is, I am going to do, and I'll just show you the pattern, this bumblebee, to show you there, and I wanted yellow. There you go, I have yellow. That's lovely. That's again, that's a lovely surprise. So there's the yellow there, and that's like a peach, and again my favourite colour, green. So there's that beautiful fabric that they can send. Oh, and they sent me some beautiful ribbon. Look at that, green, my favourite colour again. I think they're watching my blog. Hello. That's beautiful. Thank you very much. Now that I usually send a pattern, and I usually do the pattern, and the pattern is a hanging peg bag pattern. Now I've already done a peg bag pattern, which I've done a video for, tutorial that you can sew along with, and with the free pattern that you can get. So this is a different style, so that'll be interesting for me to do a different style peg bag. So I will do that in the next few days. Anyway, I'll stop waffling now. Thank you very much, my sewing box. They have now cancelled this, so until further notice, this will be the last one we have for a while. But I can recommend these. It is a lovely surprise to get them. It's like your birthdays all right every month. Thank you very much for joining me, and have fun.